To connect Motorola Moto Buds with two devices at the same time, first of all, you will have to connect them with your first phone, first device, and the Motorola application. If you don't know how to do this, I've got a second video on my channel where I'm showing you step by step how to add this device into the application. Then when you did it, you will have to scroll and click on this icon to allow us to connect to a second device. And now just simply input both earbuds inside this charging case. Be sure that you actually recharge this case for at least 5 minutes. And now click and hold on this button to enter for the pairing mode. So this button will start blinking. Now we can release. And on your second device, you will have to simply go for settings. You don't have to actually get this application. Go into the Bluetooth. And from available devices list, you will have to select this earbuds. So they appear right here. You will have to tap on them once. And now just accept the pairing request. And as you can see right now, we are connected here. And also we are connected just right here. And that's how you can do this. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.